What's up, Bree? What's up, Keith? What's up, Lisa? Damn, I want all three.
What's up, you guys? My name is Kierra, but I go by Keeks. Keeks on the beat, Keeks with the cheeks, Kiwi, whatever you want to call me. Today's video, I'm doing a 2-month update on this hair that I got from Celie. It looks really good. These crimps look really good, okay? But yeah, I got this hair over 2 months ago from Celie, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on it. I'll be talking about that at the end of the video, so if you want to know the update, just make sure you stick around and stay all the way to the end. Don't be skipping through. Watch the video. You guys will see the performance of it throughout the video, and like I said, if you guys want to know the 2-month update, just stick around. Okay guys, so these crimps turned out really nice. I love that it looks very soft and doesn't look like the little crunchy crimps. You know what I'm talking about. Y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. I don't know what size these are, but I do know I got these from Sally's. For any of you who might be wondering, if I can find it on the website, I'll link it for y'all. But this is such a cute look. I want to touch on the hair a little bit. Like I said, I've had this hair since June 24th and I've been wearing it out for a little bit. My biggest thing with this hair is tangling. So this is definitely one of those wigs that you have to do maintenance on. Like if you don't wrap it up at night, if you don't detangle it regularly, if you don't wet it and keep it moisturized, it'll be tangled up and prone to shedding. Another thing I want to point out is that the density on this wig is thick as hell in the front. I haven't done any customization or anything like that, and there's so much plucking that I need to do. It's actually kind of ridiculous. Today was a bad baby hair day for me, but I still managed to finesse it. And then also the transparent lace actually didn't perform too bad. It didn't perform too bad. Early on in this install, I really did think it wasn't gonna, you know, melt into my skin and look at least presentable, but I was able to finesse it. Transparent lace, it's not one of my favorites, but it's okay. I would recommend this for lighter babies. Those of you who are like my complexion and darker than me, unless you have the exact lace tint, the exact resources and tools to conquer this lace, you might not even. You just want to skip out on and go with like a HD or something, or a regular medium brown lace, but make sure it's not thick as hell, because who wants to do that? This hair is from Celie Hair. Y'all know that's like one of my go-to hair companies. I really do like their hair, but this unit, I'm not even gonna lie, this wasn't one of my favorites due to the lace and how thick the freaking frontal was itself. But the hair itself didn't perform too bad. Like I said, just make sure you keep up with maintenance. And yeah, this was the 24-inch water wave. They said they were gonna send me deep wave, but it was actually water wave. This one no damn deep wave hair, because when I wet it, it barely has a wave. So keep that in mind. I mean, it's doing good so far. I do plan to dye this wig. If I do, I would definitely keep you guys updated. I wear this wig out at least like once or twice a week, so that's a good thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, like, comment, and subscribe, turn on post notifications. I will be posting every week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Stay tuned. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Stay blessed, stay healthy, make someone's day, make somebody smile, and most importantly, stay happy. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I got this new drip they been waiting for. Shit wanna fuck, taking pennies up. Just bought a new whip and it's paid for. I just been working out, taking the days off. I got this new drip, my diamonds be too lit. Just hopping this too sick. My life is